Makeni City suffered a terrible flood on August 13, 2024. Many families lost their homes and belongings, and there was a lot of damage. Caritas Sierra Leone Makeni visited affected areas to see the damage and also talk to the people. Here are the views we gathered in the field. Everything is gone. I have nothing left. Look at me. I have severe cold. You can see my belongings outside. I have nowhere to go for the moment. I am completely finished, one of the victims said.
All team of lost a lot of important things, including documents.
Everything is destroyed. I lost many things, including important documents. I don't know what to say anymore, just waiting for God's will. When this happened, I had to send some of my family members to live with my relatives for safety. As you can see, we are trying to dry out some of our belongings, the victim pointed out. But even things like our televisions are damaged beyond repair, she said.
I go buy one bag flour, look me left find the case. All the water, all eater. The cake was fried, but cake, look and see.
I used to sell flour cake, the victim shared. But the flood ruined my plans. The bag of flour I bought yesterday was washed away. This loss of livelihood serves as a reminder of the long-term implications of the flood as victims face uncertain future.
At this point, any organization, humanitarian organization, please, if you can help, let them think about it.
The flood in Makeni City is a devastating reminder of the impact climate change can have on communities. By sharing these stories and highlighting the urgent need for assistance, Caritas Sierra Leone Makeni aims to raise awareness about the importance of understanding and mitigating the effects of climate change. Communications units.